everybody, welcome back to the channel. And yes, we're out at the shop. Okay, so let's get started real quick. What do we got working with? Of course, Corey's 4i is here and Todd's Coyote Swap is here. This is the wild strawberry car that will be coyote swapped. My car waiting on parts. And I'll take you over there in a minute, but Todd just scored an 85 4i notch, which they're trying to get fired up. But Mr. Hanky, let's take a look at Mr. Hanky here. Mr. Hanky has been receiving wiring. Looks like she's getting close. Hell, we might even fire this thing. I don't know. But Mr. Hanky is getting close. And let's see if this 85 will fire. Oh, she sounds healthy.
How much gas in there? About 2 gallons of varnish. Pump it.
Yeah, pump it a little bit.
And it's on a spare. But this is too cool. This is way too cool. Looks like 11 was the last time it was titled. Oh, she's trying. She's trying. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Woo, there's a little black smoke. Woo.
Go ahead.
Well, that's how you make an 85 notchback with the original engine fire over that's been sitting for probably almost 9 years. But hey, you saw it here first. Okay, so what else is going in the shop? We have this giant, absolutely enormous thing in here that is getting some new springs. And the reason being is Philip's car was so far in the dirt, like his front chin spoiler was setting off the like pre-stage beam at the track. It was really that low. So after a lot of convincing, we're putting some springs on to kind of get it back up a little bit so it might actually transfer some weight and go at the track. But it actually did run pretty good. It ran like 772, something like that. But yep, here it is, manual car. Gonna get it up out of the dirt. Look at this. This cold air has like a window in it. That's really awesome. Dude, I want a cold air that's got a window in it.
Put a window in.
Well, I mean, how cool is that? You need to tint the windows, though. You know, tint the window.
I can't see my filter when it gets dirty.
That is true. That is true. Okay, so I guess I need to get a cold air intake that's got a window. I don't know. I want to be a cool kid. Okay, so you're probably wondering if you're a regular viewer of the channel. I got flies on my face. Where is the electric red 93 that we were putting the transmission in our stock restoration project? A local painter that Dover works with quite often had an open spot, which doesn't come open very often, and so it is already at paint. And again, I don't know how long paint's going to take. Dover did get the transmission hooked all up and drove it over there last Sunday. So the 93 electric red stock restoration project that we're doing, it is already at paint. It's going back to stock electric red, just like it was from the factory. So that car is going to look ridiculous. I promise. When it comes back from paint, it's going to look amazing. And that's when we're going to really start. Probably go ahead and pull the engine at that point, and you know, pull all the interior out, and you know, start putting it back together as a stock, you know, 93 LX should look. And Dover and I were talking the other night, and he wants to give it away to one of the patrons. So I guess we're giving it away. And yeah. Okay, so if you caught the video a few weeks back where we put the distributor in the all-stock Black 89 GTO, I say all-stock, it had a few bolt-ons. That car is actually back. We're going to be doing some light restoration on it. Heater core, going to do a clutch, just some of the smaller stuff because the car had been sitting 2 years. and it's got a lot of miles on it. We're going to do a lot of small fixes and stuff like that. So super excited to have that car back on the channel. Changed yet? What are you doing, dude?
They won't work, boss man.
You just got to swap them, dude. Just take that.
All right.
Yeah, just swap them. Yeah.
The only problem we have is...
yeah, we've got compressor issues here. Oh well.
See, that's one side we get it. Well, not really, because it's kicking it out.
Mm-hmm.
Then, if you go to the other side...
And it's gonna hit like hell. Okay. Well, so somehow or another, we've got to figure out how to get Phillips springs swapped out. Otherwise, it's just gonna have to like sit here, you know, for the next like 20 years.
They should have just left it stock.
Exactly. Exactly. Or not put those tiny springs on this thing. So,
What's that got?
and it's
Displacement on that.
and it's crazy how wide this car is. Dude, it's huge.
Yeah,
No, I wasn't complimenting you. I just said it's huge.
Oh.
I did messing with you. Yeah, guys, so it has been an absolutely insane day out of the shop today. We have got so much going on. We've got Phillips S550 in here, and actually, as you saw, got the little 85 notch running. Still holding on parts on our old projects. We've got 2 cars that paint. Yeah, there's a lot going. Alex, what about your car? Is it done yet? Not done yet?
No.
Close?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. 2 weeks, and Alex's notch will be done. Actually, mine should be done in 2 weeks. But again, it's a crazy time of year. And so much going on. No, they have not done anything else on the shop. Anyway, sorry.
Hey,
That was
hold on.
Yeah.
He said 2 weeks.
Yeah, I got it on tape.
When's this ever going to hurt?
Yeah.
Is this like 2 months from now?
Probably, yeah, something like that. So that is what up, guys. Of course, we just got the black GT dropped off, so lots going on. I gotta cut this one short. We gotta get this car back on the road. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll holler later. See you guys.